Let's talk about how you can change your appearance on Zoom from this to this in just moments. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah Butler, or SB to some, and I'm a marketing and communications professional with over 20 years experience helping small businesses become big ones with very little money. Everyone feels a bit self-conscious with their camera on. However, in virtual meetings, it's super important to create relationships and rapport, which is much easier done in a face-to-face setting. The best way to do this in a virtual setting is to have your camera turned on for the duration of your meeting. Not turning on your camera can actually damage your career. In fact, one study identified that 92% of employers agreed that those who are frequently muted or didn't have their camera on don't have a long future in their company. 93% of employers agreed that employees who turn off their camera during virtual meetings are generally less engaged in their work. I will provide you a link for that study. So if you're interested in free advice to drive revenue and raise the profile of your business, like and subscribe, because that's what I do and your support really helps my channel. Zoom has numerous inbuilt features to improve video and picture quality, as well as some filters. These capabilities allow for a more visually appealing appearance, and best of all, these enhancements can be made for free and just take seconds. To experiment, dress as you would for your meeting, put on makeup if you wear any, and position yourself in front of the camera as if you were in a real meeting. Zoom shows yourself on camera and you can start to experiment with some of these tools that I'm going to show you. Now, before we get onto Zoom tools, you must have some sort of lighting on your face. I cannot stress how important this is. Some people make do with a standard desk lamp, which is not ideal, but neither do you have to have a full freestanding spotlight. I highly recommend that you use something like I do, which is a Logitech Glow Premium LED light. You can get one from Amazon and I will give you a link for that below. It just sits on top of my screen beside my webcam and has adjustable colors and intensities so you can adjust it quickly to suit your taste and environment. Also, try and position yourself near natural light. A window in front of you is ideal. Experiment with how it looks with your lights on and off in the room. Now go to your Zoom settings screen and I'll run you through the 4 key settings you need to know about to enhance your appearance on Zoom. First, in the video tab, use the high definition camera setting. High definition can be used when you are recording a meeting or video by yourself or with one other person and want a high definition result to view later. For best recording, also choose record to this computer rather than recording to the cloud. This does use additional bandwidth and is not available for sessions of more than 2 people. The second step to enhancing your appearance on Zoom is to use the Touch Up My Appearance feature. This feature softens the face, evens out complexion, and obscures blemishes, and who doesn't want that? This feature has a slider so you can apply as little or as much as you are comfortable with. Number 3, go to the Adjust for Low Light setting found in the Video tab. I always have this switched to Auto. However, you can switch it to Manual and change the setting to suit yourself in the slider. The fourth and final step to looking your best on Zoom are the video filters. Filters aren't just for influencers and to create crazy avatars. There are several filters in Zoom that you can enhance your appearance with, located in the Background and Effects tab.
Mr. Ponton, I believe you have a filter turned on in the video settings. You might want to take a look.
Can you hear me, Judge?
I can hear you. I think it's a filter.
It is, and I don't know how to remove it. I've got my assistant here. She's trying to, but I'm prepared to go forward with it. I'm here live. I'm not a cat.
They aren't for everyone and require experimentation, but I'm going to show you the most 3 realistic filters for me personally coming up. Here is pink, here's gold, and lastly here's grey. Unfortunately for this feature, Zoom doesn't have a slider control for the amount you apply of the filter. So Zoom has some great tools to touch up your appearance for your next virtual meeting or webinar. They take seconds to use, but do require some experimentation depending on your environment and your desired effect. Invest in a light to illuminate your face and position yourself in natural light where possible. Most importantly, use your camera on every single occasion. Smile, keep your chin up, sit up straight, and have fun. Simple, isn't it? Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in 1 week with my next one.